Emma's Busy Week Part 1. Monday morning. Emma is a university student. She lives in a small apartment near the city centre. Every weekday, she gets up at 7 o'clock. On Monday morning, Emma wakes up and opens the window. The weather is sunny, but cold. She goes to the kitchen and prepares breakfast. She eats bread, cheese, and an apple. She also drinks a cup of coffee. Her phone rings. It is her friend Leo. Good morning, Emma. Are you busy today? Leo asks. I have a class at 10 o'clock, but I am free after 12. Emma answers. Great. Let's meet for lunch. Okay. There is a new cafe near the university. Language focus. Present simple. Use the present simple for routines and repeated actions. Emma lives near the city centre. She gets up at 7. She drinks coffee every morning. She has a class on Monday. With he, she, or it, we usually add s. A live gives. She live s. He drink gives. He drinks. He go gives. She goes. He have gives. She hases for words. Wake up. Ye on McKay up. Yotokton count prepare. Hazel Makbasi. Megal free. Musate weekday. Hafta iki gonna practically the sentences. Emma underscore. Near the city centre. She underscore. Coffee every morning. Leo underscore Emma on the phone.
Part 2. Going to university. Emma leaves home at 9 o'clock. She usually walks to university because it is not far. Today, she is late, so she decides to take the bus. At the bus stop, she asks a woman, "Excuse me, does this bus go to the university?" "No, it doesn't. You need bus number 12. The woman says, "Where can I take bus number 12? It stops across the street. Thank you very much." "You're welcome." Emma crosses the street and waits for the bus. It arrives 5 minutes later. Language focus. Asking for directions of full questions. Does this bus go to the university? Where is the bus stop? How can I get to the station? Is it far from here? Can you help me? Useful answers. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It is next to the bank. It is across the street. Place words next to and between, or as the opposite. Cars and near. Jag dan behind. Arcus in front of. And de practicicos is the correct word. The bus stop is the bank and the pharmacy. A. Between. Under the. University is the cafe. Next stop. Inside.
Part 3. In the classroom, Emma arrives at the university at 9:45. Her class starts at 10. The teacher enters the classroom and says, "Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about travel." The students open their books. The teacher shows them pictures of different countries. Emma likes traveling. She wants to visit Japan next summer. The teacher asks, "Emma, which country would you like to visit?" "I would like to visit Japan because I want to see Tokyo and Kyoto," Emma answers. Her classmate Daniel wants to visit Spain. He wants to learn Spanish and eat traditional food. Language focus. Want and would like. We use want to for. Desires. I want to travel. She wants to visit Japan. They want to learn English. We use would like to sound more polite. I would like to visit Japan. I would like to ask a question. We would like to book a room. Sentence structure. Subject plus want or wants to plus verb. Emma wants to travel. Leo wants to eat. They want to study. Practice accomplish. The sentences. Emma wants to Japan. Daniel would like to Spanish. I want to English better.
Part 4. Lunch at the cafe. After class, Emma walks to the new cafe. Leo is already there. "Hi, Emma. How was your class?" He asks. "It was interesting, but I am hungry now," Emma says. They sit at a table near the window. A waiter comes to take their order. "Can I have a chicken sandwich and a glass of water, please?" Emma says, "I would like a cheese sandwich and an orange juice." Leo says, "Would you like anything else?" The waiter asks, "No, thank you," while they are waiting. Leo talks about his weekend. "I visited my grandparents on Saturday," he says. "That sounds nice," Emma answers. Language focus. Ordering food as full expressions. "Can I have a sandwich, please?" "I would like a coffee. Could I have some water?" "What do you recommend?" "Can we have the bill, please?" I would like is more polite than I want, countable. And uncountable nouns countable, a sandwich to apples 3. But also uncountable, water coffee braid say, some water some. Bread a bottle of water a cup of coffee practice shows. The correct answer, can I have _water? Sumab, Olio orders _sandwich dollar, of, some.
Part 5. Talking about the weekend. Leo tells Emma about his weekend. On Saturday, I visited my grandparents. We cooked dinner together and watched a film. What did you do on Sunday? Emma asks. I stayed at home and cleaned my room. What about you? I studied all weekend because I had an exam on Monday, Emma says. Was the exam difficult? It was not very difficult, but it was long. Leo smiles. I'm sure you did well. Language focus. Past simple. We use the past simple for completed past actions. Regular verbs. Visit, visited watch, watched clean, cleaned study, studied, irregular verbs, go, went eat, ate have, had buy, bought see, saw do. Did past simple questions we use did plus subject plus base verb. Did you study? Did Leo visit his grandparents? Did they watch a film? The verb stays in its base form after did. Correct, did you go? Incorrect, did you went? Practice put the verbs in the past simple. Leo Dominic defines his grandparents, Emma. Weeks an exam, they get me a film. Leo to at home on Sunday.
Part 6. Shopping for school. After lunch, Emma and Leo go to a stationery shop. Emma needs a notebook, some pens, and a new folder. A shop assistant asks, "Can I help you?" "Yes, please." "How much is this notebook?" Emma asks. "It is €5. "Do you have a cheaper one?" "Yes. This blue notebook is €3. Emma looks at both notebooks. "I prefer the blue one." "I'll take it." She also buys 2 black pens and a yellow folder. Leo sees a backpack that he likes. "How much is that backpack?" he asks. "It is €30, the shop assistant answers. Leo thinks it is too expensive, so he does not buy it. Language focus. This, that, these. Thosethis. One object near us, that. One object far from us, these. Multiple objects near us, those. Multiple objects far from us, examples. How much is this notebook? "I like that backpack. These pens are cheap. Those shoes are expensive." Shopping expressions. "How much is this? Do you have a cheaper one? Do you have another color?" "I'm just looking. I'll take it. It is too expensive." Practice. Complete with this, that, these, or those. Yeah, notebook in my hand is blue. Bags over there are expensive. How much are Baan's pens on the table?
Part 7. Making plans. Before they leave the shop, Leo says, "Are you free tomorrow evening?" "Yes, I think so." "Why?" "There is a new film at the cinema. Would you like to see it?" "That sounds great. What time does it start?" "It starts at 8 o'clock. Okay. Let's meet in front of the cinema at 7:30. Perfect. I'll buy the tickets online." Emma writes the plan in her phone because she does not want to forget it. Language focus. Future plans can use the present continuous for planned future arrangements. I am meeting Leo tomorrow. We are watching a film. Tonight. Emma is going to the cinema on Tuesday. We can also use be going to for plans. I am going to buy the tickets. She's going to study. Tonight. They are going to travel next month. Invitations for would you like to see a film? Do you want to have coffee? Shall we meet tomorrow? Let's go to the cinema. Answers: yes. I'd love to. That sounds great. Sorry. I'm busy. Maybe another day. Practice complete the sentences. Emma is _Leo tomorrow. They are going to _ a film. Leo is going to _ the tickets.
Part 8. At the cinema. On Tuesday evening, Emma arrives at the cinema at 7:25. Leo is waiting near the entrance. "You are early," Leo says. "So are you," Emma answers. They enter the cinema and show their tickets. Leo buys popcorn, but Emma does not want any. "I'm still full from dinner," she says. The film is a comedy. It is about 2 friends who travel around Europe. During the film, everyone laughs. Emma thinks the film is funny, but Leo thinks it is too long. After the film, they talk about it. I liked the story, Emma says. I liked the actors. But the film was a little slow, Leo answers. Language focus. Adjectives exegetus describe people, places and things, funny boringentics. The film is funny. The story is interesting. The tickets are expensive. The actors are good, expressing opinioncy. Think the film is funny. In my opinion. It is too long. I like the story. I don't like the ending. My favorite character is Leo. Practise echoes an adjective. A comedy is usually. A 3-hour film can be very. A good story is often.
Part 9. Feeling sick. On Wednesday morning, Emma does not feel well. She has a headache and a sore throat. She calls the university office. Double quotes, hello. I cannot come to class today because I am sick, she says. Then she goes to a pharmacy. Can I help you? The pharmacist asks. Double quotes, yes. I have a headache and a sore throat. Do you have a fever? No, I don't. You should rest and drink plenty of water. Should I take any medicine? The pharmacist gives her some basic advice and tells her to speak to a doctor if she feels worse. Emma goes home, drinks tea, and rests. Language focus. Should and shouldn't. You should for advice. You should rest. You should drink water. You should speak to a doctor. We use shouldn't for negative advice. You shouldn't go to work. You shouldn't exercise today. You shouldn't stay up late. Health vocabulary hetch. Bazocrisis sore throat. Bogos. Accuracy fever. A tescow. Huxker a cold. Sokuk. Algin lachimidine. Ilacrist. Dinun mecractis. Advice. I have a headache. You should. Underscore. I am very tired. You shouldn't. Underscore. I have a fever. You should. Underscore.